Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your headphones Philips. So the first option is to use your box and at the bottom right here we have the serial number. So this one is your first option, how to check it. The second option is to find this information at your headphones, and it's located at the left ear cup. So right here, maybe you don't see it, so right here we have this serial number, and this one is your second option. Okay, the third option, we have not third option, because if we use the application, go to the settings, product information, right here we have no information about serial number, so only these two options. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.